I'm Wendy Weir, and I'm back because we just did an unboxing of our new doTerra Libre infuser. And as I mentioned, we've got glass on the inside, so it's great for hot water or for cold, and it's durable poly on the outside. And today, I wanted to make a special drink in it with a lavender lemonade. And so to make this, what I've done is I've got a little bit of ice here, and so I'm just going to grab some ice cubes. And because it's double layer, it actually stays nice and cool and refreshing longer. Then I'm going to take about a third of a lemon, and I am just going to, whoa, goes all over, but squish it right in there. Fresh, squeezed lemon juice. The next thing is I just like some nice lemon slices for making it pretty and it's showing beautifully. And then we've got some beautiful Roberts Creek Sunshine Coast honey. So I am going to let that drop in there. And I'm just going to let it dribble right off the spoon, because the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my new lavender lavender roll-on actually, and get a couple drinks out of that. And then I will add the water. So there we go with some water. I'm now going to pull the spoon out of it. And this is the filter and the lid all in one here, the two pieces. And I'm just going to put them right together here. And I'm going to give it a shake. And what's going to be lovely is that honey is going to be well distributed through, not too sweet, and of course a natural sweetener, so much better. And then the lavender essential oil is going to be beautiful in there as well. So we are just shaking it up, and it is beautiful for drinking. I'm just going to shake it a bit more. Sometimes I go back and forth this way. Sometimes I go back and forth this way, or the other way like this. So you can do lots of different shaken drinks in the Libre infuser. And this one is a doTerra Lavender Lemonade. Really refreshing in the summer and even into the fall in the afternoon, because the lavender is the lemon is a great detox. Oh, that's good. Very good. And the lavender is nice and calm. So between the two, we've got some detox and some calm and some refreshment, and of course, great hydration, because you want to keep that body hydrated. All those little cells count on being well hydrated to work optimally. So today, it was our lavender lemonade with some doTerra lavender essential oil and our nice honey and some fresh lemon as well. Of course, you could use a lemon essential oil in there and you'd get the same kind of effect. So that's all for now, and that's our lavender lemonade. And just to know that these durable glass infusers by us at Libre are just great for any essential oils, because your drink is sitting in glass the whole time. It's protected by durable poly for on the go and keeps it thermal, hot or cold. That's all for today. Bye now.